Welcome folks to Homemaking with Mima. If you're new here, my name is Wendy, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a few canning projects, and I'm going to bring you along with me. I'm going to make another batch of applesauce. I haven't canned the other one because it wasn't going to be enough to fill my canner in the pint jars. So I got 3 more bags. And this time I bought one of the bags was Granny Smith to kind of intermix it with the rest of the applesauce. I mean, you can do that. And I'm not going to put any sugar in my applesauce. Anyway, rambling on here. I'm going to be doing some more applesauce. I'm going to do exactly pretty much the same as I did the other, except for this time I'm taking the skins off and going to make it a little bit easier for myself that way. Just because my back is really sore and I don't want to stand and spend a lot of time turning it into applesauce and fighting with the skins that I leave on. All right. I'm going to get going to do that, and I'll bring you back here and there when I actually do start to can the applesauce. And just as my other canning video that I had out there, I have canning videos on carrots and applesauce more thorough. I will put them in the description box below for you to view if you are interested. gonna wrap this video up. I've got 2 more items on my canning shelf to get us through the winter. I mean, they're not gonna last, but they're gonna get us through. I wanna thank you folks so much for joining me during this venture of my canning. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.